Hey, this is James Glover, dual CEO of JLG Holdings and Shakur Capital. This is an old video that I did not post, but I recorded this March 17, 2020, when everything was bad. Um, got Uber and Lyft. They may go down some more, but they are down very, very, very big. And I think that's an opportunity. I'm just going to pull them up on Google and show you. I think the airlines, if you got some cash or you got some time, you might want to look into them. All the airlines. President said he will bail them out, so that's even better for you. That could give you some security. Wells Fargo, the CEO, bought $5 million worth of shares, so that should give you some confidence that their stock, once everything settles out, could return to about $40 or more. But it may go down some more. MGM and the hotel stocks, they've taken a big hit. You got Las Vegas Sands not doing okay, but they recover. Penn Gaming, now that boy right there taking a beating. I just want to show you something. And Vici, the other company that owns the land that Penn Gaming operates on, that's taking a beating as well. I don't know the ticker, so I can't tell it to you. But Penn Gaming was a $38 stock February 19th. Now it's down to $7. So, my normal investment style is to buy companies that experience situations like this. Now, because the market has gone down so much, the overall market, that, trading thesis or investment thesis isn't exactly going to work. But, because I don't see it recovering back to $30 completely. But it could go to, 14 with a bailout, or getting bought by somebody else, or getting some cash in, and once this thing clears up, things are go to $14 to $20 like that. So that's easy money, but I can't make that money unless my investors invest money with me, and then I make the investment after doing my analysis and work on the stock and understanding what's going on and what will likely make it, start moving upwards. But that's what we do, But I did want to mention those stocks because I do see some value, especially with the Uber and Lyft. Once things kind of get cleared up, the airlines as well, because they are many. The president said he's going to bail them out, which is, I guess they have to. As an American industry, you can't have, the airplane companies go bankrupt and have no, airline companies in the country. MGM is down huge as well. So, it's just amazing. Oh, I should have showed you Penn Gaming now. I didn't show you that, but I'll show you MGM Gram real quick. What's wrong with the internet? Exactly. And this was a $33 stock in February 12th. So these stocks, I mean, they're killed. I should have used video software to show you this, but let's see if you can zoom in. I don't know if you can see this, but you can just Google it. I hate to show you something that you can't see, but this stock is at $10 and it was at $32, not so long ago. So it's amazing. It's just amazing what's going on, and how things change in a short period of time. But now it's under $10. Let me show you Penn Gaming real quick. Yeah, that stock is like, woo! But it's really a shame, but this is what happens when there's a fire sale or, people need cash. You know, I mean, I would really hate to be a Lyft investor. I know millionaires, but stock IPO'd at 88, traded around 50, 54, then traded around 47 to between 40 to 47. Then from there, it's just, slowly decline. And, I remember these, I watch them, so it's just a, crying shame to see that. Now the stock is all the way, 20 or lower? I'm going to check in a second. I mean, unbelievable. This stock was at, $38. Now it's down to 7. Let's look up Lyft. I mean, it's at $17. It was just at 47 not too long ago. Literally, you'll probably can click 1 month chart, which I'll show you. So, man, I hate to do it like this, but we can make it work. So, boom, 1 month ago. So, it was at $40. So, it's already lost 50% of its value, literally less than a month ago. So, but this is what investors do, zoom in a little bit just to help you out a little bit. But this is what investors do. And, it's at $17 and it was just at almost $50, February 8th, 19th. So all investors do is buy it when it's here and then sell it when it goes back up. That's it. That's literally our job. But, so it's nothing special, about it. It's not that easy, but it's not that hard either. You got the right tools, right people, right investors. It could be as easy as 1, 2, 3. Not all the time. You got to take your profits out. You got to deploy risk management, but it doesn't have to be that hard. If I had $500,000, and I put $50,000, dollars in the Lyft at this price, and then boom, a bailout is coming, all the stimulus is coming, or if a vaccination happened, this is how simple this is. $50,000 worth of Lyft shares, and then 2 days from now, they say they got a vaccination. Almost every stock will go up close to their original prices. They're at least going to see a 10 to 20% move, maybe a little bit more. And then, am I a genius? No. I'm just an investor who had cash, risk management, and even if you, depending on how much you lost or, not investing a full amount based on the capital I have, we make a whole bunch of money. So, investing is a nice way to make money, and it's a nice job to have, but, more people should try to give it a try and look into it, and try to make investments because it can be one of the easiest ways to make money. Not all the time, but when you get some of this is easy to predict, the returns or the likeliness. Is it more likely to go down, more likely to go up, based on what reasons, and what reasons why and why not. So just try to keep it simple. But I wanted to share that Lyft is down pretty big. Anybody who was an investor in Lyft, which there are a lot of people, they're losing some money. And I know people were saying that they were talking about Travis Kalanick selling all his Lyft shares. I mean, not his Lyft, nah, that's funny. All his Uber shares, but he doesn't look too bad right now. And he could buy them all back and have a bigger, well, I ain't gonna say have a bigger stake, but have a decent amount of stake. He can have a bigger part of the company than some of the people who have more shares than him, because it depends. So it depends how cheap they got him, but yeah, you can buy a lot back. So it goes to show you, you can't make, fun of people. He could have, got some loans, and he could have literally, he could be literally buying back tons of Uber shares right now as we speak. which would be kind of funny. And like I said, in this case, he would get the last laugh, because he could do, he could do a little, not damage, but he could get things done a certain way if he wants to. But yeah, so people thought that was funny, but I thought it was different, you know. But you know how quick things change, But yeah. But that's all I had to share. I did want to mention some stocks that were down big, and it's a lot. Those ones I mentioned previously, they're down big too. So check them out and see. You can do something with them if you want to learn more. Reach out, contact me.